birthday, Charlie.
Here you are, Charlie.
Thank you! It's terrific!
We each needed Grandmas Georgina, Josephine, and me.
I did the end pieces with the tassels.
And here's a little gift from Grandpa George and me.
I think I know what it is. It is! A Wonka!
Open it, Charlie. I want to see that golden ticket.
Wouldn't it be fantastic?
Don't raise his hopes.
Oh, never mind. Go on, open it. I want to see that gold.
I've got the same chance as everybody.
You've got more. You want it more.
Go on.
Open it.
Go on, open it.
Go on. Open it.
Just chocolate.
Never mind, Charlie. You'll find one.
Here, everybody. Have a bite.
Now off to do your homework before bed.